So I'm doing this video on the OBO standalone keypad card swipe entry system prop thingy because the instructions were not super intuitive and not in the best English. So this prop can work with either key card or it can work with the key fob. We're just going to use the fob. This is one that I've already programmed. To set it up for pin code, if you just need one pin code, that's pretty easy. If you just need one key card, that's pretty easy. If you need multiple, it's a little tricky. And then if you need multiple and you want to use a pin and a key card, that's the tough part. I'm just going to talk about to get it to do this, which is you scan the card, you put in a pin, and it unlocks. That's the part that was not clear in the instructions. So in the instructions here, for one, it's going to give you a default password. So you need to know that because almost all of these require the programming default password. You can change that, but you need the programming password. So I'm going to go ahead and factory reset it as if it was from 0 so we can go from scratch. So I'm going to put in programming password. I'm going to put in this number for a factory default. And it is factory reset. So try to scan this. Oh, apparently it still works. But that's okay. We're going to delete all users as well, because I think that's the best way to do it too. So programming password. And then you need to put in 40. And then 4 zeros and pound. There, that has deleted all users. So now it is factory reset and this doesn't work. So I think you kind of got to do both. The factory default reset, whatever they call it, did not work as anticipated. So anyways, now it is factory reset. Just won't work anymore. Okay, so to get it to do the card and the scan and pin function, the card or tag and pin function, you need to leave it in the original function first, which is either, so there's the functions here. You can change it to only card, card and pin, card or pin, and card and pin. Its default mode is card or pin. That's the default. So if I put a pin and I scanned a card, it would do either or, but it wouldn't require both. I want it to be able to do both. So to do that, you first have to add a user. So this is how you could get multiple of these if this was for an apartment or something, or in our case, it's for an escape room game. I guess if you needed multiple things to work, you could. But for our case, we just need one, but I want to do card and pin. So I need to make a user. So I'm going to do the user here. So program password. Okay, I'm going to put in 22. I'm going to create a user ID. For simplicity, I'm going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it says to swipe card. I'm going to swipe this card. Okay, press the pound. Now this card will work to unlock it. Now, before you change the mode to card and pin, you need to set the pin before changing the mode. Otherwise, for whatever reason, it doesn't work. So to do that, it says here, but again, not super clear. So while it's still in that mode, while it's still in the card or pin mode, or just the card mode, doesn't matter. But yeah, card or pin, scan, hold this while it's green for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It'll blink fast like that. Now it's letting you change your pin. You need to have a new pin, then pound, new pin again, then pound. Needs to be the same. You can do 4 digits or 6 digits. I want to do 6 digits. So let's do 7 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could also do 5, 4, 5, or 6. Pound. Ready for it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, it's still card or pin mode. That works. Unlocked it. let it reset. And then if I did the pin, oh, maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That unlocked it. So again, either or. But again, we needed to do both. But now that we've set that up, this is a user. The user is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is their card. And their PIN is 777777. Now we change it. So we go to configure the authentication mode, program password, then the number 6, and then to do card and PIN number 30303 pound. It has now changed. So watch. This will scan correctly, but it won't open. Instead, it'll just blink green. So again, did not unlock, did not open, just blinks green. If I do the PIN code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nothing. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so sorry, I did the wrong one. But yeah, this time, again, blinking, but won't unlock. But if I tried that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and scan, it unlocks. I'll show you the reverse way too. Scan first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s. Unlocks. And that's how you get this keypad or prop to do card and pen. There you go.